What is up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Jerry1 here, your captain speaking. Getting ready to continue on the game dev challenge finish in just 3, 2, 1. I'm not here. Where am I? Oh god, I forgot. I forgot to get my tune up. Hold on a second. My face is not working. Real quick. Am I gonna be just staring blankly all day? Probably not. Hold on a second. I don't think I have I'll have my phone hooked up. Real quick. Yes, I forgot to actually test this out. Wait. Is it actually not? Oh no, it's open. Oh no, it's opening. Okay, we got our thing. It's all right. That's so weird. Move my face around. It's not happening. And then like I'm gonna be staring down the floor. Maybe not. Hold on a second. One second. If nothing's happening, I'm just gonna jump on Discord and use the use that guy. My face is like kind of staring down the floor, like contemplating, what is my life? Is my life to be somebody's puppet? Really? Okay. No. Turn on, turn off. No? Is it, oh, should I real quick unhook, rehook, and it closed down on me. All right, one second. Like this, I'm sorry, it's like a little embarrassing. Okay, not really embarrassing, but it's like something I thought I had it handled, but right now it's not handled. Open again. We need to refresh, connect, make sure we're on the right one. Okay, and I'm still not getting anything. Okay. Well, I don't want to feel. I don't want to look dead all the time. So let me actually change to a different tune. Going into Discord. One second, y'all. I just kind one second, y'all. I just kind of I just got my bearings. I had a great salad today. Like I had to I just made salad with add ham and just lemon pepper and Italian dressing and what else? Parmesan cheese. Like it turned out very lit. It turned out very lit. I know I was talking like I had salad and it was great. You know, kind of deadpan, but like I don't know what else what else I could say. I just had food in my belly. Oh, okay. I should say, excuse me, food in my stomach. There we go. This is gonna be it for right now. I am pretty much gonna be just talking head. So anyway, how you guys doing? I'm doing fine. I have been, let's say, a little bit busy, but let me actually I want to go ahead and recall what I did today. What I did yesterday off the stream. So real quick, we just made a dungeon. It randomly generates. It's just a dungeon it's just a basic dungeon you just go through, and right now it's just straight basic, straight up simple. Nothing too crazy. I'm curious. Okay, nothing too crazy, nothing too serious, and just make levels and make things open, everything else. Off stream, I have been cooking. Probably not well though, but just prep cooking. I like on all the development I've gone through. I like the ability system. I like to use the ability system. The reason why I like the ability system because I'm able to apply effects. I can give I give buffs to a particular unit or a particular or for this case a particular character, and I can have them affect on one class, have them effect on one class to make them a bit more unique than before. So that's kind of about it from there. I kind of add the ability system here. I add a what else I did? I add a ability component. I'm still kind of working on it. Although I think I need to actually go ahead and just make some stuff with it. I mean, I'm actually just I'm actually using the code I'm coded in from the previous project to in here. Well, not all of it though. Just a few of it here. And I'm actually just trying to I'm also trying to figure out how to incorporate all this into the game. Although I'm thinking I might need to put this on hold, and I might need to actually put this on hold in order to just get the most important thing in, which is enemies and a bit more of a level design. Because right now I have this is all good and all, this is all great, but I think I want to try to keep pushing through some part of progress in the game, instead of like trying to make instead of trying to make something happen. Because I got the map. Of course, part of the map, and I think I also want to try to do some level design with the map. Either today or tomorrow, and basically want to think about and I'll think about adding or using the ability component later on. Because I know that because I know I want to do something very important with it, but I think the most important thing for me is actually just getting some of the enemies in, walking in, having the enemies spawn, and see how that works in the game. I'm also might be thinking about doing something with the dungeon, or at least think a bit more critically about it. But yeah, other than that, that's kind of about it on my end and how I'm pretty much going through. So yeah. Oh yeah, one more thing. I did a little bit of it. I actually made a little a store menu. So far, pretty much nothing fancy. It's basically just the idea is there's this character that's part of Hololive Indonesia named Koba Condor, and she's usually like the little sister of Regis Altair, the player that uses Axel Stereo. And I wanted to put, I somehow want to put her in as a shopkeep. I haven't done so yet, and I'm pretty much gonna have to figure out how am I going to incorporate something like that into the game. Like, I am pretty much trying to figure out how would this work? How would this character work? Do I need to model her? Do I need to draw her? If I don't have to draw her, it's gonna be not as great as y'all probably go think about it. I haven't drawn for years now. I have modeled a little bit, but I haven't drawn or did a really good model for years now. And I'm trying to see if I can actually figure out I'm still trying to figure out how to pull this one off. So yeah, that's kind of on this store. But I think right now I need to go ahead and get started with with some of the dungeons. Like real quick, I'm gonna start with the 3x3, and what the goal here is. Okay, so basically the goal here is to, when the player walks in through one of these doors, it is going to lock the doors. It's going to spawn the enemies. It's going to the game's gonna keep track of how many enemies are in that room, and once the enemies are defeated, it'll reward the player like with whatever reward it has. It's going to once it gives the reward, and the player selects one of those rewards, they'll destroy the rest of the reward, and the doors will open. That's clearly just it. Matter of fact, I need to go back and actually take that notepad down. I'm pretty much looking at this right now, and I think that's gonna be my combat manager for today. So let me actually write down what I said. Player walks in room, hits trigger, spawns enemy. Player defeat enemies. Spawn buff. Player select one buff. And then end door open. Maybe I have to block the door. Okay. Excuse me. And that's gonna be the gist of the combat manager. Now I have something already kind of similar, I think, called the wave manager, and all this wave manager does is basically be something I'll be pulling from the G mode and playing the wave manager, so it can use that. And all it's doing is just getting getting information about that room and getting information of the spawners, where enemies can spawn, and it will wait, what's this? I got an array and I only got one. Oh, it's checking if one of them is valid. Right. Okay. And then it's going to cobble all the map bomb. Okay. And then after that, it will start the game. It will have to wait 3 seconds to start the wave. Okay. I get it. All right. So real quick, I think I'm going to start by polishing the wave manager. Then I'm gonna start doing the combat manager. No. I don't think I need to do this combat manager. I mean, I'm thinking about it right now, but I kind of did all this already. And we have a copy of it. We don't need you anymore. We do need a way to get I do need a way to get a buff spawner to be just in the map. Matter of fact, I think that's probably be the spot for levels. Yeah, okay. Let me actually get the buff spawner. It'll just be in the center. And let me see. I want to actually create a blueprint class actor that just that's just a trigger. What should I call it? Combat trigger? I'll call it combat trigger. And we're going to open this up. We're going to actually add a trigger here. This one's gonna be a box. Maybe that'll be that room box. And maybe actually let's get a line of thickness on it, about 3, and give it a color of not hot pink, but maybe yellow. And we can change the we can be able to scale this up. So all I'm doing right now is grabbing this in here, and I can just scale this up towards here. And it's important that I set the scale to what it needs to be. I think about it. It's actually, it might be off a little bit. 3. And it doesn't need to be too big. It just needs to be just enough. Let's see. What else? It's gonna be the only thing here. So whenever the player walks in, it has to be the player, not anything else. We want to begin overlap, and we're going to check if this actor equals the play player pawn. This is a single player. We're not worried about if it's this character or not. If it's multiplayer, this setup would be completely different. I think. Maybe. And all we're basically doing here, we're actually just calling the G mode. So let me get game mode. I don't really feel about casting, but we're basically just trying to get a game ready to go. So I don't need to worry too much about dependencies or anything like that. Dependency or what's that word? Interface. Interface? No. It's not interface. It's oh my god. Yeah, it's interface. What am I talking about? fancy interface at the moment. I just want to get the wave. You know what? Hold up a second. This kind of feels stupid. I don't know why I'm thinking about this, but I'm thinking like, oh, you know what? I'll just make a minute. Let's make this easier for me. Let's just add a interface API underscore. Call this manager. And basically all I'm doing is getting managers, like getting a wave manager. Enough there, but here. Going to G mode, and we're going to add that interface instrument thing in here. And if I want more, I'll add more in there. But this way, I should be able to just drag one and just have the combat trigger just call it. Get wave manager and just have this be called from here. And this will probably will do well as well if I want to be able to call the manager somewhere else. Let's see. I'm thinking about getting initiation, and let's see. This combat trigger. When I walk in, I'm basically going to have some spawners in the world. And I do not know where I place my spawners at. It's not in here. It's not in the wave. Oh, Streamlab, you decided to wake up. How you doing? Here, spawn point. And here's the thing. I want them here. But I don't. If I were to change something or add a new spawn point or remove a spawn point, I don't want to care about how many is in this room. I just want to be able to just plainly spawn. No issues or anything like that. So I'm sitting here and wondering how I can accomplish that through here. I know for dang sure just getting actor S y'all actor class it's not gonna work for me. I think this might be a better way I can do this, and I also don't want to try to have the combat trigger grab everything in there. Let's see. Let's do a test. I think here's this test. We are going to grab this dungeon, and there's a thing under here that's for level streaming, and I want it to load the spawn room maybe and give it officially depth. And the idea, and to test this, and this big test right now, is just to have it, is to run around. It's basically have it run around in the world and just seeing how and calling all these pointers and see how many pointers it gets from running around. Because I'm basically running into one map. We get a length. We got the length of it, and I want it to print out how many are out there. That's basically it. Nothing crazy. Let's see. Let's make sure we're in the right spot. We want to have about. Let's say we have about 4 here. Oh, one more thing I need to make sure to have, and it just hit me. It just hit me. Nav mesh. What's it called? Nav mesh? Nav. Come on, I need to make sure it's right. Nav. Yeah, it has to be that. It has to be that. The bound modifier. You're going to zero this bad boy out, and we're going to scale this up. Scale up about 200, 220. Move this up about here. Scrap that. 40. And we're going to scale the X and Y about about 2,000 each. And for this reason, and for this particular reason only, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to be able to generate a nav mesh. Now that will also mean I'll have nav mesh above the boxes. I'm pretty much have to figure that out and try to fix that later on. But at the moment, I want to be able to have. I need to have navigation for all the crew. Because we just need to walk around. Not important, but something important, but just something I want to try to get, and just something I want to get out of the way. Let's see what else. I need to get. I need to go ahead and save this. Save this level. Need to hide this, and need to open up another existing a 5x5. And I want to put. And this one is going to have. This one's going to have just free spawn points, just for testing purposes. Because I was not sure if I'm doing a level stream. If I'm level streaming right now for the room, I want to see if when I walk in, am I getting every spawn point in the world, or am I only going to get the spawn points that are level streamed, that were streamed right now? If so, I need to watch out whenever I am spawning. I may need to watch out whenever I'm spawning. Whenever I'm doing stuff like this. Let's see, where's my search box? Here we go. Go ahead and get this. Let me actually put this 72. 72 here, 72 there, and I need this a bit higher. I need this a bit higher. Too high, too high, too high. All right, here we go. Wait. Hold on a second. Oh, wait a second. Let me go back in this room. Let me actually grab this nav mesh. Nav mesh down. And let me actually move this into position. Reason why? The nav meshes was missing. Let's see. Speaking of that, I think the nav mesh will be dynamically baked. Meaning it's basically just gonna be creating new things. I think. I say create new things. I mean like creating new. Man, I don't know what's creating. Save. Let me open this up. Let me actually look around, and this is just free. All right, free. I'm going to close this. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove the rooms. And and go ahead and play. And so far, what's going to happen? I'm gonna walk through the triggers, and it's going to knit, and it's going to give me numbers. So I'll play right now. There's gonna be a couple of things. All right, we got 3. Meaning there's 3 in this 5x5 room. Let's see. If I go here, This is a 3x3, so I should get 4. That's right. Okay, give 4. All right, then I have an idea. Then I have an idea. I definitely have a good idea to work with. Then it'll be walk here. It's gonna be 4. Yes, I think yes. This is a 4 room, and this has no tricks. If I walk back here, it's still gonna give me 4. All right, so good. This is actually something I was wondering if I could do. So this is actually perfect. So level streaming is going to actually get all the actors that are streamed right now, not the ones that are not streamed. Because if I were to not level stream this, I would have gotten a bigger number. Yes, 17. So I'm gonna use levels. I'm gonna use level streaming as my go-to way to manage spawn. Perfect. Awesome. And see, for this one, for map spawn point, I need to go ahead and clear this. For every new initiation, I need to go ahead. I need this to clear. I need to clear the point. And for initiation, I need this to actually just get. Another breakpoint. I need this to actually give me a. I need this to actually give me a. I forgot what I need to get. I could check this out. I need this to give me a buff spawner. Actually, I need it to give me a buff spawner and maybe a list of wave of enemies for it to give us. Plus, I need it to also give me maybe it's room. Because I need to have the doors locked or closed. I need them to actually unlock the door. Now think about it. And sorry, just thinking about this through my head. Plus honor is something we need. We also need. We're going to get this the spawn point, so we don't need to worry about that. We're going to need a door. So maybe it can give us the combat trigger. Okay, we got an error. Buff honor doesn't have match any parameter function in it. Talking about in it. There we go. What else? What else do I need from this? I mean, I already talked about this. I'm probably thinking about this right now. I kind of forgot right off my head. Hey, Liz, how you doing? Haven't seen you for a while. I'm basically doing okay. I'm basically doing my own game dev challenge where I'm pretty much trying to finish this game for about till Saturday and have this posted on. I have this posted. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. How are things? Oh my god, I just don't know what. Sorry, I just don't know what to talk about. It's been years. How's things been with you? Being with you, how's your job? How's your job going? Because right now I've been like hunting for a job for about almost about a year now, and I still am not getting any not getting any bites, not getting any calls at the moment. Okay then. Basically doing games. Yeah. Oh, okay then. I've been trying to get myself into the game sense as well. I know. Yeah, it is. I'm still just going through it and trying to get that taken care of. Really, this week was GEC. I really want to go to GEC again. But again, I couldn't do it because I can't afford it at the moment. But I went to GEC last year, and I pretty much had a ball meeting with people I didn't met, flying left and right. Well, more likely trying to getting people, more about people getting people's cards. Uh, no, but not enough like people out there looking for guys like me, like gameplay programmers, which is very weird. So I'm just basically just doing whatever I can do. What I can do right now is like doing some just doing games and just making it out there. So that's kind of what I've been doing right now, and I've been trying to stream a bit more on the side. And I'm basically just also trying to make sure try to do something like trying to apply for part-time jobs. Just looking for guys that are looking for just gameplay programmers to work. Okay, what else I'm thinking about? I'm thinking about this. Still thinking about this knit thing. I'm still thinking about how I want to. Thank you. I know. I mean, I know there's people out there already that are already streaming as well. That's already streaming as well. But oh my god, which one I got? I'm gonna get rid of this. And let's make sure this is valid. Wait. We need to worry about if it's valid or not? No, I just need to worry about if it exists. If it gets in. I'll check if the bus bars exist or not after the wave is over. By the way, how's your game div during going? Come on, like I think I already told mine already, but I have like been like you've been. I know you've been doing the game gens, but I have besides game gens, have you done anything else? For me, I actually was in a game jam called the Pirate Game Jam. That was hosted by Alpha Pirate. The one that's hosted by Storm during his streams, and so far I participated with a group. I was actually I felt actually it was EA thing, the EA thing. I never heard about the EA thing, or actually refresh my memory about the EA thing. Wait, a Digimon fan game? Okay then. Also, I didn't know you're a big fan of Digimon. Anyways, one more thing again. Box. Okay, initiation. Then that initiation is going to go through here. Get all the back point, and we should have it fall game start. Hey Serial, hey Serial, how you doing? If I delayed, what do you mean, what do you mean, like compromise? Like if I'm playing a game, I'm compromised, or if it's just already installed, I'm compromised. Because I remember Thor talking about this on his video about how it works. Like the only thing we don't know if it was the easy anti-cheat that was compromised, or was it was the Apex Legend that was compromised. So far we have to wait. Okay then. That means that I have to uninstall Apex Legends for a while until they have this set up have that set up, or do I have to make do I have to actually just do a fire scan? Because my God, I don't know if I want to do a fire scan at the moment. Anyways, game start. I'm blanking myself out. All right. Then we are going to do the leg call a wave, call wave on wave. It is this way. We're going to then look way on wave, and it's going. What's basically going to do is going to get all the information we need for the spawn point. And it will give us a wave. Oh, we need a wave list. I know why. I just remember I need a wave lift. This one needs to be the initiator needs to also give me an array of wave. As wave info. And the reason for that is because I want to make sure I have the reason for that I want to have a already made list to go with. I don't want to have to go through a list that's not ready to go with. Alright, and we have our wave list already made. We need to go ahead and create a list of a number of enemies. Those enemies will be counting down. Alright. Get rid of this. Okay. On wave updated. Okay, looking at this, thinking about this, I'm going to need to update my go ahead and update this for a while. Here we go. Duration is going to be about 1 minute. I need to convert this to pure, so we don't need to keep calling. Then it's going to call wave start. And what wave start is going to do. Hello. It's like point. Oh, current game mode. Um, Init from game mode. What is this? Init from game mode. On game info update. Do I want game mode to update information? I mean, I have already. I think I may have already got the information that I need here. Enemy text. It will give us a list of enemies from the game mode. No, you know what? This is going to change. We're no longer looking for the game mode. We're looking for the wave manager. And of course, we don't have the on game info update. That is in here. So we're going to change that to on wave info update. No, game info. Game info. Let's call it game info. And this in game mode and game info is actually looking for enemies. Wait. I don't know why it's doing that. I think it's because I have it set up weirdly when I was quickly working on this. And let's see. It's only need two. I only need two of them. So game info. No, wrong one. It just needs to be two integers. One for enemies and one for wave. Okay, so I think, yeah, that should be it. Then we have on game info update. All right, no problem here. And then we go back here because we're now looking for wave info. I mean, wave manager. Alright, no issues. Okay, cool. Alright, here's the strange thing. Number of enemies updated. I think we should be good here. Wave manager, just here. Number of enemies update event. It goes through here. Wave is still be 0 at the moment. When we look at it, think about it. I've gone through it again. I think don't really need it. Alright, init game info, and we're getting the wave manager. We hit the file here, and just set these two to wave manager. Anything else special? I don't think I need anything special. We're just going down the list. By the way, I don't think I have to talk about this. Speaking of like the job I was previously working with, about jobs. I used to work with Boeing, way back as a contractor, and this contract position was like just a 6-month period contractor, and and it's pretty decent. It's like as a remote job. I pretty much like the team I was working with. Back then, I know back then I was nervous. I wasn't sure what they needed me to do. How was this going to work? But it's not like it's as bad as when it comes to work with. I wasn't, and it's not something special. Like I ain't trying to build planes or model planes or build a system for planes. It's basically making a simulation to help train pilots on their latest plane. That's basically it. I wasn't there way deep, but just enough to work with them, and just so I see what they're looking for and try to get all that taken care of. What now? Now I'm trying to say. Now saying that and thinking about it. Wow, what was I wonder what I was trying to say about all that. I think what I'm trying to say is just throughout the time, it's just basically I always feel like when I work with the companies like something like that, I feel like I had to sit there and just kind of wait for whatever task they need done, or try to come up with different tasks. But because when I was pulled in there, I wasn't sure, and I was not given any tasks. I was like kind of stand there thinking about what kind of task to work on or trying to do. So the only thing I basically just kept myself busy. It's like I go back into some of the projects to see what was needed or what needs to be made, or what kind of bugs I ran into when running it. but I'm not sure if that's even something I will be able to be capable of doing or just figuring out. Because like, and because most of the time I just pretty much like sitting there, I was like sitting there and like, okay, do you need me to do this? Or like, maybe I should make a documentation of this, maybe this. Oh, just trying to keep myself weirdly busy for the whole time. Now, I'm not sure if that's exactly how the work stuff is supposed to be, or because throughout most of the time, I feel like this is kind of similar, similar with another job. I wasn't sure what to do. It's basically just the most I did is like gone through. All I did is gone through is getting a task, working a task, finishing a task, and just go around testing, just keep myself busy. Because it's not and it's throughout that time it kind of felt a little boring. Like you got through the whole like you got through the whole thing, and you sit there like, oh wait, that's it. That's all. Wait, that's it. That's all you have. That's babies. That's like babies work. Uh, uh, either way. Let's see. Let's see. For this, we have a wave break. We should have wave break already in here, so we should be fine. I was just gonna say, yeah. Check if this is valid. It's valid. If it's not valid, just go ahead and just end game. Wait, we already call it end game. We need to call it something else, like I want to name this something proper. Not end game. Because end game is basically just ending the whole thing. We just want to end room. End combat. That's probably way better than what I'm thinking about. What else? Go through the whole list. Going to do this. Going to game start. Going to on game start. I think I want to have the room locked. I want to have the room locked. Wait 3 seconds, and then what else? And then start going through the waves. And once the waves are done, start the wave. Oh wait. There we go. I forgot. Oh, now thinking about it. I think we have updated the whole thing. I think I need to make sure that this is actually updated as well. So we want to make sure these waves are actually okay. We are going to go to the game mode, Hey, partly atomic. How you doing? Also, what are you doing? Why you hiding? I mean, I see your emoji. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why you have a cat hiding behind a. You lurk. Oh, of course. Okay. Okay, of course you. I mean, I have lurkers. Yeah. But yeah, go ahead and lurk. Go ahead and lurk. I ain't gonna make you talk. I'm gonna make you. I'm not gonna pull you out there and say, "Hey, I got a new friend." And his face just pops out everywhere. It's like, "Yay! I'm not alone. I'm going up to the world. Let me off the stage, fine." All right. Okay, I'm gonna let you lurk. Let me go get the game mode. Get wave management. There we go. And we want to go have this all end combat. What end combat is going to do is going to unlock the doors. It's going to give. It's going to tell that. It's going to tell the combat trigger that this stage has been cleared. When the player walks through the trigger again, you don't have to trigger again. Matter of fact, let me make sure to have that on there. Enable combat. And actually, it's enable combat. So we can make this. I don't think we need to make this instance editable. This is gonna be come out false anyways. So I don't want to make it a knot. I think I'm making a knot. Reason why is because I just like to make code look nice. Like I just want the true flow from here to here. And whenever enabling combat is no, it's not in combat. It's combat completed. That'll work. Okay, I'm gonna need a wave lift. And now I have to think about this because I think I want the waveless to go. I want the waveless to go. Like, ooh, where, what rooms, what assets should have the wave? Because each wave is gonna each room is gonna have a different wave, and I'm wondering if the combat trigger should also should have this wave lift, or should it be like some type of other manager that's within this within a level that's gonna keep that will have the information for that. I'm probably saying this. I'm probably saying this because I want to try and keep things organized. Try to grab stuff. But I think for this, I'm gonna I'm just going to go ahead and have the wavelets be in here and have this actually exposed. We'll actually have one, just so we have something to work with. And that should be about it. At least for right now. Ooh. Ooh. Wait a second. I just had an epiphany because I recently just made a data asset type. I think I'm going to make a trial of the data asset type because I like data assets. That's why. I want to have a enemy info data asset type, so I can keep a list of data to keep to use, especially like when they spawn. Like if the enemy type, if in the future, I will want these enemies to also have a component called the ability system, and these will have a way to have different type of abilities attached onto it. So a regular enemy will be a lot more stronger and a lot more meaner. I think for right now, I think I'll have it. I have the information here. Okay. This, and see. We have the spawner. Wave manager. We need to get the wave start, and the wave start is right here. Let's go ahead and copy that, and let me go ahead and actually. Go ahead and grab this, hold this in here. I think that is on. What the heck? Oh, wait. What is that? Who are you? On character dead event. That's actually coming from the okay, and let's see. Map on point. Yes. Because basically what this is doing is trying to find what the heck? Huh? Name. There we go. That was weird. So basically what this is doing is trying to find the actors, and it's trying to get the transform. That's basically it. And let's see. Call on update speed. Wait. Wait. Thank you. Wave in. Wait. Yeah. Wave in. It's just keeping track of how many enemies have died. And if the number wave is 0 or less than, it will clear that wave, and it will check if there's any more enemies to spawn. Alright, I think I still got it. Oh yes. That new spawn. Oh yeah. I know what I know now. I know why I have this in here. It's because I want to keep track of the spawn info count. Like for instance, for each wave list, there is a number of enemies, and if for each wave it is like 10 waves, I want to keep track of that wave. So if I have an enemy spawn that is a corrupted beast, and I have a value for it for about there's probably five of them. I also want to spawn a different set of enemies that will spawn another 5 of them. Called flying beast. I don't have flying beast up and ready, but that's how I want to have this organized. So yeah. And all this does actually is just a count that counts down on how of the list, and it will then get a spawn info update its spawn info deck to go to the next list if one exists. I mean, at least for this, I need to actually it does need at least to exist. Perfect. I just make it. Let me make sure that if it doesn't exist, this will be the part where it says, "Hey, list does not exist," or the spawning unit does not exist. Make a warning about it. Print screen warning. Missing enemy unit. And I like to keep things colored red for anything bad happening. And give it a duration of 60 seconds. That done because that taken care of. What could we adding or missing? I think it's everything. If that's the case, then we're just going to get grab all this and delete it. Because I don't really need this in my game mode. There we go. Copy, save. We should be good. It'd be nice if I had these commented. So I can have an illusion of organization. Okay, that should be it. Now let's see. For this one, we should be able to edit our information here. We get our bus spawner. Our bus spawner is right here, and we want number of enemy. There's 4 spawners. I just need I just need 2 right now, and I need to have it spawn 2 corrupted beasts. That's it. Nothing else. All right, save. Oh, we're not done. I do need to get hand of these doors. Oh. I wonder, now I'm thinking about it, there's also this thing called connection constraint. And connect our magnet, connect to other fill-up plugs, connect to other mail plugs, follow flow, link direction. Follow flow link direction. What the heck does that mean? I think I'll worry about that later. Yeah, I hear. I do need. I do think I know these exist. I know these will exist. But I don't know. I don't know how to call them all. I don't know about these things as well. The seismic transformer and spawn logic and style constraint. Real quick, there might be just documentation that I can look up. So let me actually go to my. Let me actually go to the plugin and actually find that out. If you guys don't know, I'm using a plugin for this challenge called the Dungeon Architect. It's a really cool procedural generated dungeon where it allows you to do some randomly generated stuff. Basically, I used this way back in during No Hope Studios, and it's like a really cool and really strong plugin that allows you to set up whatever kind of procedural generation you want to have. So for me, I'm using a stat flow builder, and this is something that's going. This time I'm using that allows me to connect one thing to another. So looking at this and thinking about this, I'm just wondering if there's information about snap connections that I can look into. It has a lot of information, but doesn't have like a snap. But doesn't have like a really a thing that can help me out here. Wait. Okay, it seems like it updates information. Okay, it updated the information, but not very much. I figured talk about more about how to do this more than how it works. Also, I need to take a look at the snap grid flow builder sometime in the future. Or maybe make something out of that. Like I don't know what but maybe not. Or actually just take a look at PNG integration. Sorry, I'm getting myself excited. I don't think I have any information about what I'm looking for. Okay, so let's let's go ahead and continue. It doesn't seem like I have any information about this, and I don't know a way to if it has some kind of logic for me to use to check if these doors are locked or unlocked. I guess the way I guess the way I'm gonna have to do this is basically just go to the dungeon door. And have a dispatcher because I don't care what I don't quite care if the doors are I don't quite care if what doors I have or what doors are there. I need to make sure that these doors are I'm able to grab these doors, able to have them locked. So, actually, that's what I could do. On combat activated. And there's no one on combat deactivated. I think I'm going to need a dungeon door and the wave manager. On game start, actually, we're going to rename this combat start. So that's actually a proper name for it. That's actually a really proper name for this wave. Let's see. The way I want to do this, if my information correct, is to have get all actors, which is they're basically gonna be just dungeon doors. B_D dungeon doors. And we're going to do a for each. Which now looking at and thinking about it kind of feels pointless to have these defense patcher already called and ready to go. Like I will refer to I walk through the combat trigger, and it will lock. No, I need some way to have the I need some way to have it called, I think. Okay, now I'm just kind of finding which one is supposed to call it. It's either the wave manager, or it should be the no, it has to be the wave manager. It has to be the wave manager. And door not locked. And see, unlock door, and just boolean to say door lock is false. That's kind of about it. Oh, by the way, I need to make sure to see print. get the length, and then print. I want to see how many doors are actually being called through a streamed through a stream level. I think after that, I hate doing Gale Actors class again, but this is actually the best way I can do this. In combat, oh. Wait, wave in? Is it like... Up to waving on wave. Oh, wait. Why are we clearing this? Like, oh, wait. Why are we? Oh, we're clearing the selected points because we don't want to. Because we don't want to spawn. Wait. Okay. Doing wave on spawn, and it will get a new list of selected points. Okay. Wave on spawn. Weighing on wave. There we go. Once that's done, we do a wave break. Wave break, and then in combat. There we go. Let's go over here. Let's actually get a another not wave manager. Okay. Here we go. Plus one. This will be in the mill as well. Then we go and grab the combat trigger. Needs a buff spawner and just needs a list of waves. Let's give about six. There we go. So 2, 4, 6. Go. There's about 8 spawns. We're going to have this spawn about 5. Come on. Maybe about 5 spawns, and this is fine. Okay. That's done. Let's actually go into map, go into ML dungeon, and see how it goes. Play. I walked in. There we go. Our enemies should be spawning, and where are they? Is the door locked? The doors are locked. I can't move. But enemies are missing. They're missing somewhere here. Okay. Not even here. Let me make sure that. Oh. That'll probably be it. Walk in here, go in here, walk in the way. Doors are locked. There are 5 doors. 1, 2, 3. There's probably another door over here. But no enemy spawning. Okay. Let me look. Walk through here, go through here. Wave start. Go through here. Selected points is 0. All right. Map spawn point. Then go to map spawn point. Still way on wave. See what's happening here. Walk through here. Alright, weighing on wave. So we should have more than one spawn point. Why we got more than less than that? Okay. We should have at least about about 4. And should be spawning at least 2 on 4 on 3x3 and 8 on 5x5. We should have 8. Yep. And we should be getting. But we're getting 1. One. You just went through the whole list. I'm an idiot. I forgot the one more thing I need to do. I need to name the spawn point. I have it in a certain way where the spawn points need to be named. Let me go back to dungeon arc, dungeon sublevel, go into number 3, and I figured this should already named himself already. C1, they're all named Seed 1. Spawn point 4, 2, 3. Save. Go back here. They're all naming themselves Seed 1, which is weird. Okay, save. Now let's try again. And by try again, I mean like go back into dungeon and making sure that the nail streaming is actually set like this. I don't know why it's not. Why it reset itself. Can you open and close? Wait. And let me actually open this again. Making sure that, yeah, it's there. That was weird. Okay, cool. Let's walk into the room. All right, we should have 8. There we go. Let's go and break this, remove this. And we should have 0. When we got like, hold on a second, stop. if length of this is, wait, if this is less than the length if number enemies is less than the length. Okay, what's going on there? Hey, we're so close. We're so close. Or wait, it should be 2. 2 is less than 4. So we should have we have 2. We should have 2. 0 minus number enemies would be 1. It's gonna be set to 1, so 0 and 1. Okay, then let's go through what? Okay. Back into dungeon. Okay. We should get a wave lift already set up. And at the default, it'll give us 5. And it'll call the initiation. So we know these things are printing out correctly. We can get rid of those. And it's making sure that at least one of them exists. Okay, good. We know the doors are being spawned in. All right. And they're being counted. That's not there anymore. Okay. Wave. Oh. Wave should start at 1. The default number should be at 1. That's why it's kind of why it's showing 0. Okay. Let's actually go back. Back to the map. Back into dungeon. Run. Walk in here. It should give us the exact right number. 2. Okay. And then the wave starts and we go through this. Gives us the 2 spawn points and we should spawn enemies now. There we go. Alright, it works. Wait. Oh, that's right. This happened to be a lot. Well, this happened to be a lot way back where I have a trigger, and this trigger blocks everything. Inputs, blocks all the protection, blocks all the it just blocks everything. So let me actually go into my let me go find the damn thing. Oh my god. Trigger, here. We go to the box, and let me actually go into our collision. We have overlap all. Statistic custom. Projectile needs to be ignored. Camera visibility needs to be ignored. Stack and dynamic needs to be ignored. The only needs to overlap is the pawn. Everything else ignored. There we go. That should fix it. That should fix all of them. All right. 5 enemies, wave 1, and we have everything. Now we need the enemies to 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's number 5? Okay. Number 5 ain't spawning. Okay, have it set on always spawn, ignore collisions. It always seems not spawn the last one. Let's see. Did call that out? That failed to spawn an enemy or missing an enemy unit? No. How big is that? Let's check if it's valid. Because it could have the bind, but it could be missing the unit. It could be missing the unit. One, two, three, 4, 5. All right, next up I need to fix is the this. We should have a way to pick them up. Wait's over, and these doors should be unlocked. It's still locked. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's try again. There we go. I need to actually clear the wave as well. Ooh. Now I think about it, yeah, I do need to clear the wave. Wave 0, and let's see. Can I know I can? I just need to find it. If 0 is less than or equal to 0, I want to actually hide it. I want to set the visibility of image text to set to hidden. Mm-hmm. And then you make sure this is visible. There you go. And for this one, I need this to be enemies. Actually, let's make this a let's make the overlay a. Do I need to make any of these a variable? I do want it hidden. Do you want this to overlay variable? Number of enemy overlay. and we're going to set just this hidden. It should hide all the children. Okay. So I don't really need you anymore. I just only need these. Wave, overlay, make this a variable as well. And this goal is to be when it shades the wave, we want to make sure this is shown. This is shown. I'll be fair honest. I think we already have this called already. I don't think I need to. No, I'm thinking way too hard. I'll polish up the code. I'll polish up the code later on once we have all of this done. Okay, save, run. Okay, there we go. Run. That definitely clears up the screen. Let me see what happens when we walk in. We walk in. Wave 1. The enemies are not actually showing up, but that's fine. I think it'll be fine for right now. No, I'm probably wait. Okay. Oh wait. Let's set this to 1 and set the wave to set the call wave to be 0. I think that'll work. There we go. Move over. Wave 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Do buff, walk over here. Welcome to the shop. The shop is okay. Here's the boss. There is no boss here. And here's the end. Okay. Okay, real quick. I want to actually go into my sub-level real quick and actually go into my end room. And I want to make this magnet a plug female. And the boss room where the red is the boss and male. Save. I'm going to go into the dungeon, go to MD, and I'm going to click build module. And I want to actually do a test. Just build a dungeon, and I want to visualize this. All right, cool. Restart. We need random seed, rebuild, random seed, build, random seed, build. All right. Okay, cool. Random seed, build. Perfect, perfect. So basically what I did, I'm just making every time we're actually going to go to a boss. that the plug for the boss and end room are always going to be facing this one particular direction. I think I also want to try something similar with the store. For real quick, let me actually go and say, let me actually close this. No, don't close it, don't close it. I actually want to open up the level of the corridor store. Okay, I think I might have done something silly. Okay, almost something silly. Let me actually get out this let me actually get out of here real quick and just close this down. What I want to do next is wait, what's this? Wait, I didn't even click on this and then you think about what this does. I actually have templates I can actually grab and use and play around with. And don't worry about it. Anyways, I want to do something similar here where we have the color selected like red and green. Green's gonna be the player is gonna be moving from this side. Okay, find this material. Let me actually select all of them. And on this side, it's always gonna be the red side. And all of this is just so we have a good idea of where each map is going to be placed. So let's see. Let me go back into the boss room. Okay, you got two females. Do I have two females? No. I have a female and male. Let me go back to the boss room. Alright, save, and let's actually just build cache. Right. Then save. Let me actually look at the visualization and actually go and build a dungeon. Dungeon is not built. Okay, Okay, it seems like we have an issue. For store. It has to be stored. Let me close this down. Let me get the store. And I think for the green, it just needs to be a regular plug. It doesn't need to be a female plug. It just needs to be a magnet. Do this, and let's go back into our dungeon flow. All right, build a dungeon. All right, everything should be working fine. Here is our magnet. So every red is what we're gonna be facing at. Once we're going in, we're going into a green spot, to red, to red. There we go. That's what I want. Okay, so I think it should be good. It should be good here. Okay. Let's go into our. I think that's all I need to do for these sub levels. The last one I need to do is just two things I'm probably gonna end up doing. I need to do something with the treasure room, and I need to do something with the boss. I need to do something with the treasure room, and I need to do something with the store. For the boss room, I'm gonna keep it light, and I'm gonna keep it testing things. I'm gonna probably do level stuff tomorrow on Wednesday, and I'm pretty sure a design parts level on Wednesday or after the stream. I'll probably get a little bit in here and there and get all that stuff. Although, real quick, after all this, I'll be right back. I need to go to the restroom. I'm back. How you guys doing? Actually, real quick, I need to see if I can actually get if this thing's actually working now. It's still not working. If you give me a few minutes, I'm just like see if my thing wants to cooperate or not. Right now, it doesn't seem like it wants to cooperate. It says it's live. It should have all the things it needs. Maybe if I close it down and open it back up. Also, I need to actually close some. I need to close some programs down because I realize I have not touched any one of them, and or I close every one because that might be because that's what's probably be messing with it. I guess probably not. And no, if you're wondering why I'm being vague and very astute, it's because I just don't want to say. It's just I don't want to say things that could compromise my computer. Okay. It's loading back up. It might be just thinking really, really hard. Like really, really hard. Like hard brain thinking. My stream PC might be thinking really hard. Oh, by the way, if no, I'm just actually dual streaming. I'm actually using a PC to stream, and the one you see right now, or one you see before, is my gaming PC, the one that's being streamed into my PC, so to be shown to everyone else. I'm kind of hiding the screen right now because I'm trying to actually open this one thing up. Speaking of openings up, I actually just have a video I have not uploaded for a long time. It's not like a really big video or tutorial video or something like that. It's just something I want to share. It's just something I want to. It's just something I wanted to. I thought I had posted, but I didn't post it because. For some reason, it's a bit weird for me to not post these things. What is this? The following drive person. Okay. I haven't done anything memory-wise. Although now looking at my streaming PC, I feel like I need to uninstall a lot of things. Alright, the project's now being opened back up. And let's see if it's actually working right now. It's not. Alright. We're alright, come back. We're still gonna be PNG for right now. I'm back. How you doing? Anyways. Let's see. I need to have another thing, another combat trigger. For basically, I'm basically gonna keep it simple and keep it the same. I don't think there's gonna be a bus on it. There's gonna be 3 waves. For this one, I want to have like 5 on one side, 7 on the next one. And 9. This is the boss is something changed. But I really just need to make sure we have some spawns, have something out there, have something working. I think next up on my list is getting not the replication, but the nav mesh working. Because right now the nav mesh is actually not showing up and not connecting, that sort of thing. All right. I believe I don't need to worry about a bus spawner, hopefully, maybe, yeah. Because I have a setup to the way where it checks if the spawner is it checks if the spawn is working or not. If not, it checks if the buff spawn exists or not. If it doesn't exist, it just ends the game. It just end the level. If it does, it will do its thing. Okay, now let's get the spawner up in here, and we're gonna need be about 12, just 12 spawners. And need to make sure to refresh each spawner. Refresh each spawner's name, because if we don't, it's not going to spawn all the enemies all at once. Okay, I said 12, but I'm actually bringing in 20. And they're going to be side by side, and that's kind of about it. Make sure these are named or refreshed properly. That way they can be named all mag. Okay, I think that's it for right now. Let's make sure that there's nothing else we need. I think we should be good here. Looking at this, I think I might have enough time to continue on. I mean, I only been streaming for like 3 hours, almost about 3 hours, but I can still continue on doing this for a while. Yeah, I wonder if I were to continue on this, I wonder if I'm actually if I were to continue on this and actually make this a thing. I wonder if I could just also put this in the Hall Indie, like not like put in a holiday, but submit this into a Hall Indie. I would need, let's see, first of all, I need a commitment from me if I wanted to continue on working on this and actually be able to finish this off, right? The only hurdles I might have is like assets, trying to make assets. I can't, for assets, I cannot do commissions. I cannot do commissions in any way to just be able to submit this and really just submit this and say this is everything's gonna be honky dory. There has to be some things that have to sign off, so I'd be able to protect myself, be able to protect the client, and just be able to do what we want to do. Whereas commissioning, I think commissioning doesn't it means I didn't sign a contract, but it doesn't and means that if I were to try to sell this, the commissioner will probably have an issue with it. So that is something I need to be very, very mindful and very careful. Anyways, I think I'm good here. Let me actually go into the main level. And let's run it. Let's see. After all this, I wonder what I need to do next. I think what I'll probably do is I'll do the buff off stream and try to get that working. Oh yeah. One part I need to do is hey, are you defeated? Yeah, you're defeated now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we missing an enemy again? Okay. Enemy count. Plus, we haven't done anything super special with the hook shot. Wave 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. I cannot aim, and that's not on purpose. It's because my projectile is actually not aiming correctly. Wait. Oh, what the fuck? All right, was I able to walk? Oh my god! I found a bug. Okay. So I'm triggering the thing, and it's spawning multiple enemies. So we need to tell if the combat's completed, or is we need to tell this thing that combat is in session. And the way I think I'll do this is by going into Wave Manager. Let's see. Looking at this now, I think I need to make Wave Manager a... Can I? I can't. Advanced. I can't make this a... Okay, it has to be... It has to be this way. I can't make get Combat Manager... No, get Wave Manager a pure function. Okay. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I need some way to get this all. I guess what I need is the wave, no, combat trigger. Combat. There we go. Just go promote this variable. Do. Let's see. For combat trigger, I think we don't want the trigger to be called multiple times whenever going in and going out. So I could say the best I could do. I don't want to call it it's combat completed. I think I will want to. No, wait. What am I thinking? I don't need combat trigger. I don't need the wave manager check if the combat has if somebody walked in and triggered this. I only probably need this to do is once. That's all I need this to do. I don't think I need wave manager to even worry about this at all. Now save, run this back, combat manager. Okay. Let's call it trigger completed. I'm going to rename it from combat completed to trigger completed because all I just need is to have this trigger called out once and that's it. Nothing else. Okay, we should be good. I think that's all I need to do here. Probably a few things I need to make change doors to pick up an item to that was 2. It's supposed to be 5. Okay. we got that taken care of. Now, the last thing we need to take care of is the spawning part. Because it's not spawning correctly. Always spawn, ignore collisions. It try to adjust the location, but always spawn. Because right now it's spawning, but that spawn is disappearing. Let me get the name of the beast, and we are going to make sure that there are at least 5 of them. Oh, and let me actually make sure that that these scenes are cool. Run in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's room. Go back. Wait. That's 4. Okay, did it again. Okay. Here's how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make a break key, and all I'm gonna do is check if we're getting 5 or are we getting 4. Let's see, we're getting 5 here. We should be getting 5. 2, 3, 'Let's see. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right then. I don't think I have actually set up a end where player will get killed. I really need to fix the bomb point, but yeah. Okay, I think we should be good now. Boss room should have 3 waves. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7. Now last one should be 9. That's 5 right there. 6, 7, 8. Okay, it has miscount. It has miscounted. Okay. I should have guaranteed about 90. Let me take a look at this. Maybe it has something to do with the selected point. Let me do a print string. Let me get a length. And let me pen. Select the spawn point. Length. Number of on this wave. Set this the color of green, or like more of a darker green. And let me actually call it, have this call within, let's stick within 30 seconds. Because right now I'm having an issue. Issue where the spawns are not doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's spawning one less, and it leaves every time it spawns one less, it leaves me stuck. Spawn. Okay, here we go. Select the spawn points is 4. Number of spawn this wave 5. What? Hey, Encrypted Cow, what's up? How you doing? All right, that should be correct. That's the correct number, but it says something interesting. It says like it has 4 selected points, and it should be about 5 here. All right, let me check. All right. Second points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm doing fine. I'm actually able to I'm actually just trying to get through the levels. Off stream I have done a bit more of coding. Basically I add more what I added in? I added in more stuff. Like I added in a ability system. I added in a store. I have like this here's the store. But I don't have a store shop up and running yet. I'm pretty much right now going through these dungeons. Tomorrow I'm pretty much going to be using level design and or at least today I'm going to do some level design and be able to do what I basically need to do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, this is a 5x5 and you're spawning 3. Click the spawn points 2. Number of spawn points 5. It needs to be okay. It gets the random point, but I think it's not. but I don't think it's actually getting all the points that I need. It's basically getting the same points that I don't need. Okay. What do I need to do here? Okay. It feels a little complicated, but I'm looking at this and I'm saying, okay, maybe instead of doing the for loop, let me actually take this for loop out of the equation. And let me actually grab the key. And just stick all of it into the selected point. And once that, we just initiate from there. And it's going to do a for loop. Of number of enemies. It's going to get a random point. And it's going to, once that's done, it's going to clear, set some numbers to 0. And that should be it. I'm not sure it's the best idea because it's trying to get all the points, but we are trying to get a number of points in the game. All right, 4 we get, and I know that's but I guess that's okay. I guess, but I am trying to get the spawn point. I am trying to get the enemies in a different spawn point instead of in the same spawn area, because it can lead to enemies bunching up in the same spot. But in this case, I don't want to end up losing a count on enemies. I could probably come back to this later, but right now it's gonna have 4 here, and it's gonna have 2 spawn. All right, here's the boss. I say here's the boss room, and the boss does a bunch of it's just a basic bunch of enemies. We have wave 2. I should have 7 enemies in here. I cannot aim for shit because the projectile is being shot in a weird position. It's not really much challenging, just basically something trying to get something at least done. Wait. Oh, that's all the waves. What the heck? Why is there the wave 4? Let me go into my sub-level, go into my boss room. It should only be about 3. Oh, there's 4. Okay, now we're done. I don't know if we can need to touch upon it again for a while until we're kind of ready to touch upon it again. Okay, what am I thinking about again? Map. Yes. Dungeon map. Going here. And I'm just trying to get to the end point, end of the dungeon. All right. We select the point, we move on. We pick one up. There should be 2 here. All right. Next wave will be 7. There should be 7 enemies here. Bang, bang, bang. Next up I need to have audio. At least try to have some kind of audio. Alright, that's all. And if I go to red, and we go here, the door should open. There we go, the door's open, and we're at the end of the game. Awesome. The end of the game is basically like there's probably gonna be a door, or you walk even deeper into the dungeon or into the dungeon. But basically that's kind of about it. Hey. So we got a few things in there, a few things done. Of course, I need to actually be able to get the enemy spawning correctly. The way I had before wasn't working, but in the way I have it right now it's working, but it is prone to having enemies bunch up and in the same spawn. Also, one more thing. The level is not when I built a dungeon, it's not actually generating the spawn. I think it has something to do with this one's kind of straight up simple. It's straight simple fix, I think. And it has something to do with the navigation system. So I had to look at my nav mesh, and I want to make sure that nav mesh is okay. Here it is dynamic. We want this to be dynamic. Reason why it'll automatically generate the levels once built. Okay, what's this? Oh. Let's ungenerate the level. Let's try that again. Okay, so we walk through here. Here they are, and they're moving, and they're moving, and they're moving. All right. Enemies destroyed. They're actually a bit more of a threat. Wait a second. Is it lagging? It is lagging. Is it because I'm trying to generate is it because it's generating the path? Okay, it has to be doing that. So it lags on generation. We'll walk through here. It lags again. It's probably okay. So it is. It has to be that. It has to be that. Hold on a second. I think I'll be able to solve this. Solve this. Not right now, though. Okay, so that's interesting. So I think I know for the lagging part. I think it is the navigational thing actually just trying its best to generate as quickly as possible. Okay. Let me. I think I could. I think I'd be able to solve this real quick. I think there are a few meshes out there that's blocking it. Especially the entry. So real quick, let me go to connection. Let me go to dungeons, and I'm going to make sure navigation is. They can never that these cannot affect navigation. These are just for me to be blocked at. To see if that's part one of the issue. It's probably not. It's probably not. FPS. Okay. Okay, I just remember stat FPS. Where's it? Oh, there you are. Okay, that fixed it. Okay, the reason I set these doors to can ever affect navigation because I don't want to actually affect navigation. If I really do want them affecting navigation, I'll probably have them as blocking. I'll probably have them blocking, like how I explain this. I'll probably have a collision speed, kind of like a nav modifier that will make them less likely to move through them. I give them a high cost. There we go. Like one of them, they don't matter at the moment. Okay. Alright, cool. So no lag. Awesome. 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 Little no lag. I'm not noticing a big dip, but it's not like insanely difficult. This feels neat. Like I think if I have a level that allows the player to just do I say a level, but if I have a map that allows the player to do something like this, that will probably make it a bit more beneficial for Axel. Let's see. So far, I think I have it. Okay, I think I have everything set up properly and running again. It's not. I don't think it did. Okay, so definitely need sound effects. And I'm going to need to make more levels. I think make more room, make more levels, and make it make more enemies. And I'm kind of wondering if I'm going to have enough time to even do all that. All right, here we go. This is pretty good, but the feel is not. It doesn't feel nice. I think it's because the arms are not actually like running or moving. Like it's whenever it's walking, it's like it's just not doing any bombs or weaves, that sort of thing. Okay. I'll say this actually is a very good progress to go here. But the question is, what else can I do here? So for this, we have the combat management taken care of. Let's knock you right out and put you in here. A couple other things I need to do is like the shop system, the new types of buffs, and different subs maps. I have basically the basic sub map, but I think it'd be nice to have a different set of sub maps for this. I'm probably what's probably gonna happen is I'm probably gonna need some time to actually think about this and get some ideas from this. But right now I think I am pretty much. I think not over my time, but usually I end at 3 p.m. Oh, no. I usually end it in 3 hours or 4 hours, or with it in between. Because rest right now I don't have anything special to do, and then just work on the combat manager. This one I think I want to try and take care of off stream, and I want to try to do when I come back tomorrow, I'll show you what how I set up and that sort of thing. So yeah, today so this is a good start. I'm happy with where I'm at right now. I want to end it right here. So thank you all for coming by. Thank you for watching. If you want, I'll be back tomorrow because this is a game dev challenge week for me. Basically, I'm making basically again my things I'm doing right now. I'm finishing a game that I failed to make and submit it on itch.io. That's before Saturday. So tomorrow I'll be back here again. I'll be streaming. I'll be streaming this again with some maybe either doing code or I'll be doing the level design. I think I'm probably gonna do the level design and try a couple things together. And I will pretty much throughout Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll be doing nothing but art. Making just art assets, making sound, using sound effects before the game, and just trying to make the game look pretty nice and wonderful. So yeah, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time. All right, bye bye.